3, 2, 1.
Give a little Scandinavian like.
And guess what? It's gonna be worse.
So it might be further forward than that.
My god, look how like close it is. Like it has to be like down there.
That would work. So you sit back. How would you sit normally?
Well,
You can't really do it, I suppose.
if I sit it there, and then just to get an idea.
That works, didn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe angle a bit more to you, yeah. Like that.
Let's get that.
Is that recording?
Yes, it is.
Alright.
But we have to say like, oh, we're in a social bubble.
I don't really worry about it.
And you need to try to sit back as well. Oh, that's alright, yeah. You can't see the steering wheel on that, but I don't think that's like that important. Hello.
Hello.
We have to.
Oh wait, well I'll try this microphone.
Yeah, so that goes, I think, in one of them. Oh,
What
yeah, there's
difference
there's
does
one that says mic.
This is a test, isn't it?
This is a test.
There's nobody there.
This is a test of our endurance.
This is an audio video experience.
ASMR.
Skoda Superb ASMR. Just listen to the straight 4
Straightforward indeed, yeah.
diesel.
It's as good as it gets. Like it was
take
on
up-
and then we're like
let's-
silent.
I was gonna say,
Let's talk about
let's
it.
take up to highway speed.
Right, okay. It's like this. It's like we're like
It's like
angry at each other or something.
we're looking different ways from each other. So the Skoda Superb, it's a really good car.
It's really superb. That's it.
This
That's
is what
all.
it says on the box, on the badge. Oh no! Reverse! Don't reverse.
I should just find another one.
Abort.
Yeah, this is a little test of my new camera without a microphone, and we're doing what? We're just driving around normal streets quite slowly, and we're gonna try and drive a bit quicker and see what it sounds like.
Yeah.
Last time we did a film together, it was 2019.
Many moons ago.
Many moons ago. It was a different time, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It wasn't this uncertain time, which is what it gets called now, isn't it? That's what all the people on BBC are calling it.
So what speed should we try and get up to?
150?
Is that how fast? What's the top speed of your car?
Well, it's an indicated 160 on the speedo, but probably 110.
Is that what?
or
Yeah,
something.
I was gonna say,
It is possible to.
if you're going downhill with a tailwind.
If you drive off a cliff, it's possible to get to 150. Even if I just
I think I was looking at that big camera. I think I was looking at the camera.
Yeah?
Yeah, I was like, just staring at the car.
Celebrities.
Carpool karaoke!
Is that Brad Pitt in that car?
Why is every accent we do in English?
I don't know. Right. It's 2019 the last time we filmed, and a lot's changed since then. We've only just been allowed to start seeing each other in person.
What was the police?
They pull us over like, can we get your autograph? We saw you've got a camera, so you must be famous.
What a
It's a
lovely
beautiful day.
Oh! Whoa! That was weird, wasn't it?
Jinx!
Tell us the specs, Michael.
1.9 diesel. I can't remember it. 1.6.
Naturally aspirated.
but with a turbo. Yeah, it's a Skoda Superb 2014. It's a 1.6 diesel green line, so it's like the super eco version.
What's the difference between the green line and the non-green line?
The biggest difference is probably the suspension. It's got like lower suspension by about less than an inch. But I know it's like it's a bit lower down and it's also stiffer suspension. The reason they put it on is so that the car's lower
So
on the
it's
motorway.
less drag.
Aye, exactly. But yeah, it's a big car.
It's a big car.
Big car. Big boot. Mine's the saloon version with the fancy boot, which opens 2 ways. Yeah, it's a really exciting review this so far, isn't it?
It's more just a test.
Yeah.
It's the camera.
Aye. This car cost, what was it, 6,500? And I got it with 92,000 miles. And I'm up to 106,000 miles now, so I've done 14,000.
That's not many.
It's not many. It was a former Ministry of Defence car, so it's probably like police or...
Maybe this was a car for like chasing down the bad guys.
Might have been.
Maybe this car's been involved in a lot of collisions.
Maybe that's why they got
It's
the
just
green
well
line,
repaired.
because they needed to like
Sporty.
sporty around the corners and stuff like that. We need a Skoda, obviously. If we're going to be chasing down criminals, we need a Skoda.
What car do you need a Skoda?
We want a Superb because it's it's the best car you can get. But we need a slightly sportier version. Well, we don't do a sports version, but we do a green line version, and like you bite your hand off. I think that's probably what happened. And what have you got, Jamie?
I've got a Peugeot 208.
Peugeot 208.
But you hear more about that in the Peugeot 208 review. You can go in this lane, but then you can't turn right here. You got to continue a bit. And then
Trusting
turn.
you.
Yeah.
No, I'm just I think you're right. It's the 1.6 diesel, which has got 100 and something horsepower, but it's the torque.
It's all about the torque.
It's all about the torque. The performance is probably like, for me at least, it's like 95%. So like 95% of the time it's fast enough. There's only like a small...
Well, you don't drive quick.
Exactly, I don't drive very fast. But there's only like a very small amount of time where I'll be like, oh, I wanted to get onto that motorway a bit quicker.
Yeah. That's quite quick.
Yeah, it's not too bad, is it? It's a big car.
Yeah.
And it's a 1.6, so it's like...
Yeah. Mine's got 69. Or 67.
horsepower.
Or something like that.
Fucking hell.
So low.
That is low.
No, well, was it like an existing model of car with just a gear engine in it? Has it got image stabilisation?
It does, so I'll be interested to see how that works.
Well, we'll know when you did that reaction, we know it was shaking a lot. Yeah. I remember with my car, I was trying the petrol and the diesel one, and I tried the petrol. I can't remember if it was a 1 litre or 1.2.
Aye.
And it was so shaky.
Yeah.
The diesel, 1.4 diesel, was like just more smooth.
That's funny, isn't it?
It just felt more smooth.
Imagine like 10 years ago.
The petrol's like so rattly.
Yeah.
Petrol's really rattly, like raspy.
Yeah.
How like you put your foot down and it wouldn't move.
Yeah.
Compared to like the diesel.
Yeah. Remember the Peugeot 108 that I had? Or 107?
Mm-hmm.
The little yellow one that had
That was
a
petrol, wasn't it?
And that was like raspy as well. Fucking like shaking it to bits. I just wonder if I've like completely tightened things up properly. You know,
I think so. I think it's just because it's quite a long arm, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's got quite good stabilisation, so it'll be interesting to see what it does. Because there was that whole bit when we were coming off.
Yeah, we'll skip up to that bit. Let's turn off.